wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, 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 but I like to party. Touch, 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 but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, 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 since the day we partied. Touch, 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 but I got nobody, so I do it so long.
Second round, casual round. How guy kan men chui na kanai terai. Ani mi guai na hu khao. Kani kandi me hu khao. Lia lau kane. Kani guai na ram te ta chui na ta lau kane. Kani to pon guai the designers nun ka guai na ka siam chui lau na. How guy na ta kai lau kane. Luan thom mai pat ni mi hu khao. Ani mi guai na ma chun gai da na. Kani guai ka pui da na ba mi gan khao. Zao sam lau ta kho. Kinh sắm lâu ta kho nụ gai mê lùa dụ hay nai nè bà mẹ Mấy cô anh đang kinh sắm lâu ta kho Thai ní ngắm gòn máy Khát ní Gai gong lung riu riu mày Thai ní ngắm gòn máy Khát ní gai gong lung riu riu mày Shall we all welcome Thai Ninh Am Gon Mai and Gai Guang Lung Liu Riap Mai on stage, please? In the meantime, I would like to request B2CR group dance to get ready at the backstage in the announcing booth. B2CR dance group are requested to get ready in the meantime at the announcing booth.
Hello?
Hello. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. I've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Are you ready?
That I was standing right here
Talking to you
about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh,
but something told me that it would not last. Had a sweet song, look at things, see the different bigger picture. Those were the days I work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. Everything you understand by my side. You're gonna miss me for the last ride.
Been a long day without you, my friend.
Come on, sing it!
And I tell you all about it when I see you again. I've come a long way from where
Sing with
we
it!
began. Oh, I tell you all
Xuân Sóng không?
about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Yeah.
First road got away and the babe of his strong. I was small, trying to friendship and friendship joined in the bond and the
And the
bond
bond
would
will
never
never
be
be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood turns in the land of law, and the love of love in the land of the lost, and the brotherhood comes and remember me when I'm gone.
How do we not survive our family family so that we can
Everything you treasure is standing by my side. You're gonna miss me for the last ride.
let the lights guide your way.
Yeah, your way.
Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. It's been a long day
Been a long day.
without you, my friend. And I tell you all about
Yeah,
it
tell you.
when I see you again. I've come a long way.
Come a long
from
way.
where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Oh,
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gai Guang Long Li Ria Mai and Tamenglong Gon Mai. Up next we have B2CR. Wow, that was B2CR. So we all give a round of applause for these beautiful young ladies. Up next, we have PG Ramthaipo on the stage, a member from the Tamenglong Film Forum.
Hello. Raminan guai. How guy men sui na kanai tai. How guy run kang karam dan na ba me. Mấy guai nang king sap lao na nu guai me azu ka guai hai. King sui nang king lao ta po tiu khang kanin su me azu ka guai tai. Ani tu na how guy me nan gan sui na kanai ta how dan me gan khao. Zu kai ta pun ni de tu min dong ma sun guai mi ta nai la na me guai na. ควรสำเรานะจ้าวสำเราผมข้อแต่นาทีไทยกันเลยเราต้องมีตัวแง่
อันนี้สโลว์ไม่รู้จังเลยนะเขาไกลไม่ตัวนะเวทคุมสโลว์เถอะ hậu gai mây nắng trao cung nhìn gai mây nắng đất xa chân mây gần chân biết trao thật khâu để ăn đất đi va đâu thề hậu gai mây nắng trao cung nhìn gai mây nắng đất xa ta vui mang mấy đã cùng được cho nắng hay luôn ta hãy đi vì biển ra bằng mấy hay cả gần cả thôi nắng xuân xưa đã bằng như thế nhìn cả lúc những hay trên bay đi pa đi thế hậu gai mấy tu na cài những mấy lúc người mà chân mây trên mây mít trào cả lại lâu nhau cùng na buông đầu mua vẫn tí nai xa nhìn vẫn như thế ai đi đang thân là đuôi thai lâu na lúc người cùng những mây trên truy mây quý cùng đến bây giờ chỉ mày quý Thank you.
Tuấn có thể râm thai bầu ăn khấu xuân truy là xóa lâu mi khang mấy quên nó bàn hiểu tái nó hiểu lâu tôi không râm mấy dịp đi cây hít nào nai nó bà mày tao hài Gracie Gang mày popular actress in Tamenglong along with the one and only Mr. Katsang Thai Gone my famous actor in the Tamenglong community, also film director, producer, lyricist, and they will be performing their hit from the film Nang Tanade. The song Nang Tanade from the film Ning Lat Mede. Presenting you all Tamenglong.
Hello.
Gracie Gang Mai and Katsang Thai Gon Mai on stage.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello ทำไมนี่นำใครเขาไม้ลาถอยตัวคนนี้อีโก้มักพิจารณาหนักหลังกูฮะอีโก้มาหลักกูไปอารมณ์เธออีโก้มาแต่ทำไมเธอ Hello สาธิตนังกระไทยตัวติงนะ Hello Hello ตัวทุกทีแต่พิจารณาเธอก็หลับก็เอไม่ Preaching สุดท้ายพิจารณาเธอไม่ Preaching สุดท้ายปุ๊กบอกไม่เป็นที่สู้เลยก็ไม่ใช่แต่ก็เข้ามาเถอะ Hello Hello ตัวแต่ไม่ตื่นไอ้ Hello อันนี้ไปนะหนูพัดเถอะ Track please กระชีแกงไม่ต่อพอเท่าไม่ singer ขัดเถอะก็ไม่รู้ไปนะส่วนสิ่งไม่ขัดเถอะก็ไม่เดินนั่งตันเดย์เจไม่รู้ก็โอ้เจลิงไม่ปุ้ยทำไมสวนเราไปเถอะ
Stage เขาสุนัขสวนไม่ต้องถ่าย first ช่วยงานดีกว่าเพราะว่า
ลาดให้แรกเลย
Gairan Papunide, Ramai.
Wait. Trek lặn thế. Trek thì không lâu thôi. Trek thì phân hoàn thế, mấy trek thì xuân em mình này thế, nên cả khó, mấy đâm running, please. Anh nên tuần, you remember này sớm mai, mấy đâm running thế, chắc là nó cú lâu bố, mấy đâm running không mấy quênในบ้านได้นะหุ่นเราเข้านั่งท่าเดย์จะไม่เตะเนี่ยก็น่าหนูกุศลดับเดย์กันนายบังเทเทรกหายปากหายกลัวกันมันเท่านั้นไม่ก็นึกพลอยมาแค่ไม่ก็ในบ้านได้นะหุ่นเราโคไม่ดำค่ะใส่กระตงบัดเดย์ไม่ก็ในไทยเรากระตงบัดเดย์เขาไม่ก็นะลูกขัดก็ไม่ represent สโลปเน่ท่านั้นกระเดียดมาจังเทMany returns of the day.
Thank you. Alice one time again. The Tamenglong Artist Forum to me zang harina. Kaniu tong forum ta. Tin thui lau mai suna. Kaniu bang hon je mai wom khaina pading lau tu na. Ding thao bam palan na de. I'm not a good singer, but just to make the complete the forum as a Tamenglong artist. So I'm standing here just to accompany him.
Thanks. Okay, take track please. Crowd, may papaloto.
vẫn dầm khó nâng ở này vẫn sự đi sang tràn vẫn dầm khó
lung xa phía nắng a lung xa xế si khai khê lô hãy khăn dọc bê hồng đá anh đã ra bê gió hãy khăn dọc bê hồng đá anh đã ra bê gió
Thank you, thank you.
From Kothe, it was just an entertainment for everyone. Thank you.
That was our Honorable Chairperson Education Board, Srimati Ramning Palme, ADC member. She sang very well. Shall we all give them a hand again? And here again, from the Tamenglong Film Forum, guiding my godmother on stage. And he is the Vice President of the Tamenglong Film Forum.
นักแข่งสามโลก็มาเตาไอริสลอนไม่ด้วยบันทีบานนำตัวพิลมลูเทเจียนไม่เขาอารมณ์เลยกวยไม่ชโลบันเทไม่กวยนะทุกคนไปเจียนน่ะสับไปงั้นมึงนี่ไปไหนบ้างหนูผมยังไม่กวยในกลางเทชโลนไม่ฮะเทรกแต่ปะเราตัวสิฮัลโหลเซ็ก
Hello, Milu hai lùi thai, hau gaiกันไม่สุยนักในแต่ปัตตานีไม่กล้วยนักแข่งสำเรานะคันนี้อักกุนนะคนนะบัมพัวคันนี้นูไกไม่รู้แห่งกิ้งสำเราพัวตัวนี้กูแทง
ฮัลโหลนี่เนี่ยนักสดสามโลก็hai mươi người rất sẵn sàng có đây
กูเทแสดงร้องฟิล์มฟอรัมตรง Vice President ก็ไม่รู้นักการดอดซีนลาลกันเท and up next is the third round of the Orange Queen Contest 2018 evening gown round. Tiếng say sinh bắn khẩu Su mi ta pính mặc là nà Mấy quay nà rồi nà giáo lâu nì nà gùn nà bá mày Cóm lá lia mà cả thuông mày Hầu gai cắn men suy nà cả này Tại tật bà lâu ta ni Mi hài evening gown round Cũng lên nà Mấy mà thiếu nà gùn nà ni giáo bụng gai thê Này lói mấy quay nà ta hầu lâu nà Này lo bụng gai đài Cóm la lia mà cả thuồng mày giáo nà lùm buông bà bấm đi này bấm tụi ní Ai mới hết ta xu ní mà cái chào Mấy cô anh này lo đài Thế này lo ai này kéo xóm lâu khốn ní Orange Queen Contest 2018 Giáo nà này lo đài Này lo ai này kéo rần mải là ta giáo này lo đài Thuần của râm Tamenglong mày râm gọi Này lời đã Giáo xóm lâu ta call the third round Evening gown round And we shall welcome all the 22 beautiful ladies On ramp again Anh yêu không rồi từ nào Khát ní mi trong title 15 State Level Orange Festival 2018 trong Queen High Cái mày lo bà ní thế Tụi mày lung gai là nà Từ nào nâng cơ quay Hầu gai mày lia mà nâng cơ quay hài Xâm đàn suy nà xâm đàn nà bà mê Cái níu quay hài Mấy quay nà ta Khát ní cần đi mấy cơ quay nà hù khâu Mi tuang title hai Pang biu rap tu kang Tu na kani guai karam ran na karam ma ba me Kat suna tatpat la na Ni mi guai na migro na hau na ba me Kani guai halun ni gai e Kani puan ni hau gai e Kani ni man sai katui na ta Ni rip re me zapan de na kani guai na tatpat me gan ka riu la we Mi guai na nai la bong kan ne tu na ni nge Kani sai luan ro na pungo tang mai State Level Orange Festival 2018 Tuang Queen hay thâu top bên ít giờ Tụi mày hãy mấy quay na cả lùng không cả khăn là bông khoang ấy tụi này nghe Cũng là nà Anh yêu khoảng tật bật lâu ní mày Third round Cả hầu ní mi hù khẩu Riu lâu đợt mày Lia mà Có má lia mà cả thuông mày Hầu gai cắn mày Từ ná nâng có quay ta riu lâu đợt mày xưa nà Tao hãy anh yêu mi quay nà lùa khát kinh xăm lâu ta khó Mr. Azaika mày One of the favorites of Tamenglong Mr. Azaika mày ka mày rồi na Third round Khao party mày lia mà nún quay ta riu lâu mày suna Khani anh yêu mày quay na ta tì này la lâu mày Khani anh yêu mày quay na ta tì lúm thao lâu ta mày Khani anh yêu mày quay na ta tì này la lâu na mi tô mong hay su bam kwan sini lumma ani mi kwai na nai la na zau sam lau khang azai ka mai on stage again shall we all welcome him with a big clap.
Hello. Rồi hết rồi đi. Rồi cái lũ này nè, mù đất là khê, ta mẹ long ta tụi khốn đi. Rồi cái bao photo. Mấy quay đã tinh sĩ chuẩn trọng cô. Mù đất là khê, ta mẹ long bây ta.
Good day, Mr. Ajay Kamai. Hello, Tamenglong. Are you guys ready for the final round? Can I get a bigger yes? Are you ready?
Music, please. This is an evening gown brown. The 22
24
ladies will walk the round in evening gown.
You spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward,
Contestant
babe.
number one,
Close.
Erin Nichelle.
Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. I took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. And now it's
Contestant
all
number
good,
one,
babe.
Erin Nichelle from Shillong. And the designer is George Nichelle. Contestant number two, Anancia Sagolsen from Churchandpur. And contestant number three, Gaising Longleo Pamay, designer Blandina Ganmay, and a Bulbo Ganmay.
Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah.
Contestant number
Maybe I know
four,
that I'm drunk. Maybe
DK
I know you're the one.
Darcini.
Maybe I'm thinking it's better if
And the
you drive.
designer is Maxwell Young.
Oh, cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah.
Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you be my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. Where every other girl you meet is too gay.
Contestant number five,
Enough. But you need someone to spice it up.
Inunanbi.
So who you gonna call? Cardi, Cardi.
Designer
Come on, like a
is
Harley.
Milan.
Why is the best crew always forbidden? I'm coming to you now doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't really want a white horse in a carriage. I'm thinking more white horses and carriage. I need you right here, cause every time you fall, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar.
Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah. Me do what I want when I
Contestant number six,
I need
and Selena Chanu. Designer, Arvin Dongsum.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like
I will always
Contestant number
remember
seven, Vahoy Chong Hau
the
Kip.
day you kissed my
Designer,
lips, light as
Kim
a
Song Hau
feather.
Kip.
And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never.
Contestant number eight,
Well, I
Helen
guess that was
Kapmai.
true. Dancing on the hood
Sister Smita Devi, Designer, Alan Wi-Fi.
In the middle of the woods on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends, and it went like this: say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me,
Contestant number 11, Salina Saicom, Designer, Suresh Arubam.
Singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
Contestant number 12, Ipe Wangla Pame,
Where we sang songs with all
Designer,
our childhood
Blandina Gangmai.
Oh no, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
Contestant number 13, Sangbo Liu Maremai, Designer, Z Ben Wang.
On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
Designer,
Thủy Liu gang mày. Contestant number 20, Shushna Maibam. Designer Suraj Wahangbam. Contestant number 21, Pritam Brahmacharimium. Designer Mon Saubi. And contestant number 22, Lumley John Jajo. Designer Kahawan Awang Hongyo. Ladies, the third round completes and the subtitle will be announced now.
This year, we have 6 subtitles. Miss Beautiful Smile. These prizes will be awarded by Sri Sarat Chandra, Assistant Commissioner, DC Office, Tamenglong. Are you ready? Miss Beautiful Smile goes to contestant number 3, Miss Gaising Lungliu Pame. May I request Sir Sarat Chandra to come and hand over the prizes. Music, please. Miss Beautiful Smile, Miss Gaising Lungliu Pame, contestant number 3. of applause, please.
Sweet dreams are made of this.
Thank you, sir. That was Miss Tamenglong Liu Pamay. Next, we have Miss Popularity Subtitle. This prize will be awarded by Mr. Thuikuanong Pamay, proprietor Misty Mountain, Tamenglong Tea. Sponsored by him. Miss Popularity goes to contestant number 7, Vahoy Chong Haukip.
Travel the world in the 7 seas.
May I request Mr. Thuikuanong Pamay to hand over the
Looking
prizes.
for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Hold your head.
The prize of Miss Popularity is sponsored by Mr. Thuikuanong Pamay, proprietor Misty Mountain.
Keep your head up. Hold your head up. Keep your head up. Sweet dreams are made.
This Miss Popularity subtitle is decided by public voting.
Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you.
A round of applause, please.
Some of them want to be used by you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be you. Sweet dreams are made of this. Ooh, and I
That was the Miss Beautiful Bahoy Chong Haukip, contestant number 7.
7 seas.
Next subtitle,
Looking for something.
Miss Fashionista, to be awarded by Sri G. Apaukui, Executive Member, Forest and Industry.
Travel the world.
Miss Fashionista goes to contestant number 13, Miss Sangbo Liu Marine Mai.
Some of them want to be used by you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be used by you. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be you. Hold your head up. Keep your head up. Hold your head up. Keep your head up. Hold your head up. Moving on. Keep your head up. Hold your head up. Moving on. Keep your head up. Moving on. Hold your head up. Moving on. Keep your head up. Moving on. Hold your head up. Moving on.
She is Miss Sangbo Liu Marine Mai.
Hold your head up. Moving on. Keep your head up. Moving on.
The next subtitle, we have Miss Congeniality, to be awarded by Sri Pautinsai Kipgen, Sub-Divisional Officer Taosham. Miss Congeniality goes to contestant number 20, Miss Susna Maivam. She is the beautiful Susna Maivam, contestant number 20. next subtitle is Miss Catwalk, to be awarded by Commandant 23 Assam Rifles. Miss Catwalk goes to contestant number 11, Selina Saikom. A round of applause, please. May I request the Commandant 23 Assam Rifles to hand over the prize. Wow. Selina Saikom, contestant number 11. The next subtitle, Miss Photogenic, will be awarded by Superintendent of Police Tamenglong. Miss Photogenic goes to contestant number 6, and Selena Chanu. Miss Photogenic prize will be awarded by Superintendent of Police Tamenglong. We would like to honor the choreographer of tonight's Orange Queen Contest 2018, J. Robert Rovayo Pau, and I would like Shall we all welcome the man behind the scene of these beauties, J. Robert Rovayo Pau.
face above the water, pulling against the.
And a token of thanks would be awarded by a respected STC Tamenglong Nam La Lung Gang Mai. Mấy quên nó bọn hiểu tái này hiểu lâu có học coi mày suy nè cái này thằng run na tán là nó bảo mình quê cái dẫn rồi na J Robert Rovaio Paul cái mày rồi na mi tuang Orange Screen Contest 2018 hay choreograph sự lâu mi tuang nghe bọn hiểu tái này hiểu lâu tôi quay co. Basket of orange for the Beauties 22 from the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018 Committee. Basket of orange, each for all the contestants, and is a token of love and thanks from the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018 Committee. And the ladies will walk down the ramp with the basket of orange. Music, please. Will walk down the ramp one more time. Thank you, ladies, for the round. Mấy quay na bạn hiểu gì này hiểu lâu được không? Hello, Tamenglong. Gái bông gái đời. Up next, we have one of the jury members of tonight's Orange Queen contest, Srimati Shoma Laisram on stage. Kumari Shoma Laisram. She is a popular actress, a singer, and she is a native of Imphal. She acted in more than 30 Manipuri films, and one to be mentioned is Nungshi Faizai, Fizang Marumda, and many more. Tamenglong, shall we welcome Kumari Shoma Laisram on stage? Kwan na bom gái hào. Cô Bình Thế. That cô Bình Thế. She is just stepping up. And to be mentioned, she is one of the jury members tonight. Tamenglong, Shoma Laisram on stage, please.
Good evening, Tamenglong. How is everyone? Okay, so do you find any interested or most gorgeous contestant among the 21 contestants tonight? Do you favor any one of them? I can't hear you. All right, let's see. It's almost coming to an end. Well, as the host has just mentioned, I want to clarify something. Soma is not a professional singer. As you all know, I'm just an actor, and singing is just my passion and hobby since my childhood. I was the jury member even last year too, when the former DC Sir Armstrong invited me. And this is the second time as a jury member for Orange Queen Festival. And I want to add more things that I was just 17 years old when I first landed my feet here on Tamenglong as a contestant of Orange Festival. That was in 2009. I was not a winner at the time. I was one of the 10 finalists and bagged the title of Best Catwalk. But see, after 10 years, I'm here again as a jury member. I feel proud of myself and really thankful to all the people of Tamenglong and also to all my fans who's been supporting me all my 9 years of journey. Thank you so much, and also thank you DC Tonight and organizers of Orange Festival for having me here once again and bringing my nostalgic moment once again. So I'm not here to entertain, but as a request from the closest jury member that I'm sitting here, and also for all my fans, I just want to dedicate the song. Maybe all of you have known it, Maya Ngawu Malang, my first on debut song. I hope I'll present that once again. We'll enjoy and sing it together. Is everyone all right? Thank you. Is the track ready, by the way?